happy Friday. It's the second summer weekend here in Chicago. I am so excited. I'm gonna be excited always. This is just who I am. Anyways, I'm getting ready to go to a show. I forgot the name of the show we're watching, but today's been such a beautiful day. I'm also so excited because one of my close friends from New York City is in town this weekend, and I get to see him. If not tonight, some point this weekend. And yeah, what do I have to do this weekend? I have a church workshop tomorrow from 9 to 3, and then I have a going away party at night, and then Sunday I have church. Oops, I gotta go, guys. My cab is here. Morning, you guys! It's Saturday here in Chicago. The play yesterday was so good. It was an interactive play, which I've never been to. First of all, it was a 360 theater, and it was an interactive play. So they like had us turn our flashlights, or they had us like stomping and clapping at some point, or sometimes they would like call out like audience members to like answer or like be part of the conversation. So it was really good. I'm so happy that I went. It's Saturday, the weather's beautiful in Chicago. Go Chicago. Ah. And it's, what time is it? It's early. It's 8:23 in the morning. I'm getting ready to go. My church is having like a workshop, is the best way I know how to describe it, from 9 to 3. I told you guys in my last vlog that I joined 2 like church groups, and so this is like a super day basically for one of them. So I'm super excited, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Going away party. He's going to China for the summer, and so he's throwing like a little barbecue, and I'm so excited. My friend is here from New York City, and I'm just so happy I have a piece of home at home. So yeah.
Get out of downtown Chicago.